Meanwhile, a non-government organization sees the full and proper implementation of the 1987 Constitution as the solution to the poverty problem in the country. Ria Fernandez Caldas report.
For Philippines Recanelli Mother International Foundation, the 1987 Constitution is the solution to poverty and lawlessness experienced in the Philippines. According to one of their leaders, Prince Altres Cabrera de Dios, for 27 years, the law has not been fully and properly implemented because of setting aside its primary source, the Almighty God.
Ito yung aming alam sa sambayan ng Pilipino para magkaroon din sila ng sinasabing awareness na merong hope sa ating bansa maliban doon sa sinasabi nilang parinalang negative.
To save the law, the foundation first and foremost aims to empower the public through information dissemination of the Constitution using print, radio, television, and other media. They have what they call as nobles or nobilities who serve as their instruments in fighting poverty by giving spiritual and material help.
Maraming mangyayaring magagandang, of course, development, mga karangyaan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Ang ating dako or estado ng Pilipinas ay magpapatupad ng pananaig ng batas, pamamahalang puspos ng katotohanan, pag-ibig, katarungan, pagkakapantay-pantay, kalayaan at kapayapaan.
The group was formed in 2012 and was later on recognized as the first royalty in the country by the Diplomatic Corps in Singapore. For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.